Tired of struggling to share your photos? Let's unlock the power of Google Drive to share them effortlessly. First, navigate to your Google Drive. If your photos aren't already organized, it's a great idea to create a new folder for them. Click the New button, then Folder, and give your new photo album a descriptive name. Once your photos are in Drive, locate the specific photo you want to share. You can click on it to open it, or just leave it in its folder. Now, find the Share button. It usually looks like a person with a plus sign. Click on that to open up the sharing options. In the sharing dialog box, you'll see a section called Get Link. This is where we'll generate your shareable link. Before you copy the link, it's crucial to set your access permissions. Click on the drop-down menu next to General Access. If you choose Restricted, only people you specifically add by email will be able to see the photo. For broader sharing, select anyone with the link. You also have the option to choose what people can do with the photo. Viewer is good for just sharing the image. Commenter allows them to leave comments, and Editor lets them make changes. Choose the role that suits your needs. Once your permissions are set, click the Copy Link button. This will copy the unique URL of your photo to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link into an email, a message on your favorite app, or even a social media post. Anyone with the link, based on your chosen permissions, can now view your photo. It's that simple to share your memories and work with the world, all thanks to Google Drive.